Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change the theme in VS Code in 2026. Changing the color theme is one of the quickest ways to personalize Visual Studio Code and make the editor more comfortable to use. So let's get started. First, open VS Code and access the command palette. Search for the option that lets you select a color theme. You'll see the themes currently available in your installation. Select a theme from the list, and VS Code will apply the appearance immediately. This makes it easy to preview different styles without changing any project files. If you want more choices, open the Extensions view and search for color themes. You'll find many themes designed for different preferences, from simple light interfaces to darker coding environments. Before installing a new theme, review its publisher and available information. Choose a trusted theme that is compatible with your current VS Code version. Once you find a theme you like, install it and activate it through the Color Theme Selection menu. Some themes may include additional settings that let you adjust their appearance. A dark theme can be useful when you're working in a low-light environment, while a lighter theme may be easier for some people during the daytime. There's no single best choice, so choose whatever feels comfortable. You can also switch between themes whenever you want. Changing the theme doesn't modify your code or project files, so you can experiment without worrying about affecting your work. If you install several themes, you can keep your favorites and remove the ones you no longer use. It's a simple way to keep your editor organized. You can also customize other appearance settings, such as the file icon theme and interface layout, to create a more complete visual setup. And that's how to change the theme in VS Code. Choose a built-in theme or install a new one, then adjust the appearance until it fits your workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the